Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 15th shloka of the Hayagriva Stotram and understand its meaning. First, let us see it word by word. Api kshanardham kalayanti ye tvam aplavayantam vishadair mayukhaihi vacham pravahair anivaritaiste mandakinim mandayitum kshamante. Api kshanardham kalayanti ye tvam api kshanardham kalayanti ye tvam aplavayantam vishadair mayukhaihi aplavayantam vishadair mayukhaihi vacham pravahair anivaritaiste vacham pravahair anivaritaiste mandakinim mandayitum kshamante mandakinim mandayitum kshamante. Api kshanardham kalayanti ye tvam aplavayantam vishadair mayukhaihi vacham pravahair anivaritaiste mandakinim mandayitum kshamante. Now let us see the meaning of this verse. Ye tvam kshanardham api kalayanti. Those fortunate people who meditate on you for even half a second, kshanardham, half a second, vishadaihi mayukhaihi aplavayantam, they get drenched in the luster of the white rays emanating from you. And what happens to them? Vacham pravahair anivaritaiste. This has the effect, as seen in the previous shloka also, of bestowing Vak Shakti that results in the felicity of speech. And what kind of speech is it? Mandakini mandayitum kshamante. It exceeds even Ganga in its pravaha or flow. Such uninterrupted felicity of speech is bestowed by meditating on Swami Hayagriva with the white moon-like cool rays of jnana emanating from his form. Shri Hayagrivam upasmahe.